Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha ICC Maths 10th. So 5th lesson quadratic equations. So this is your first exercise 5A and sum is 36th sum. Okay, so from R.S. Agarwal book. So 5 by 2x plus 1 plus 6 by x plus 1 equal to 3. So we are going to solve this equation. Solve means we are going to find the value of x. Okay, see students, I have one student. He is asked, ma'am, maths is very difficult for me. I have a very fear to do mathematics. Okay, so my answer is, students, please concentrate on your studies. Means when you do maths, when you have a fear in maths, you take a paper and do the sum. Okay, write the sum. Take your hand, take a pen, and keep your mind in the sum. Okay, and do the sum. That is enough to overcome the fear over maths. Okay, so doing that is important. Practice makes perfect. That is very much suitable for maths. So how many times you are doing the sum, that is very much more important. That decides your mark. Okay, now let's go to the sum. 5 by 2x plus 1 plus 6 by x plus 1 equal to 3. So this is your question. Okay, so you have a linear expression in the denominator. Here also you have a linear expression in the denominator, so you have to eliminate that. So you can cross multiplication, you can do, because here plus sign is here, you are going to add, means, or take, you can take LCM. See how will you take LCM? 2 by x plus 2x plus 1 plus 6 by x plus 1 equal to 3. So I am going to take LCM. See, what do you mean by LCM? You just multiply the denominator. Okay, so you have to equalize the denominator. You can multiply, this is x plus 1 and numerator also x plus 1. This is x plus 1 and x plus, sorry, this is 2x plus 1, this is 2x plus 1. Okay, see, 5 into x plus 1 plus 6 into 2x plus 1 equal to 3. So this is your first step. So do you understand, ma? Yes, now you can just multiply this 5 by these 2. So you get 5x plus 5 plus 6 into 2 are 12x plus 6. This is, you can just multiply here. So this is 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1 equal to 3. You just simplify, ma. So this is 5x, this is 12x. So that is 17x. 5 plus 6, that is 11. This is 3. Just cross multiplying. Okay. So when you cross multiply, you just simplify here, that is 2x square. If you add, you get 3x plus 1. You just multiply by 3 in each of the terms. Okay, 3 is common for both the 3 terms. So this is 6x square, 9x plus 3. This is 17x plus 11. Okay, see, you just interchange the places, because many of you committed a mistake there only. So that is why I am writing here. Okay, you need not write the step, but still you just interchange the places. Now you do. Okay, so now you just shift this places, both of them. So this is 6x square plus 9x already is here plus 3. This is coming here, 17x and minus 11 equal to 0. Okay, now you just simplify. What are the like terms? See, what are the like terms? This is plus 9x minus 17x. Okay, so 3x square, 17 minus 9, that is 8, so minus 8x, 11 minus 3, that is 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so you have simplified, and see students, each coefficient can be divided by 2. All are multiples of 2, so you can divide by a 2. Okay, so by 2 by 2 by 2. So you have simplified, that is 3x square minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. So this is our final equation. 3x square minus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. So this is what our final equation. Okay. Now you have to factorize. How will you factorize? See, take this 3 and minus 4. So if you multiply, you get minus 12. Minus 12. Middle term is 4. See students, this is product 1, this is sum. So you have to multiply, you have to get minus 12. When you add, you have to get 4. So which pair is 12 table? 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. These 3 are the unique pair, there is no other pair, okay. If you write again 6 2s are, there is no need, okay. So 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So I have to choose a pair from here. Which pair is the right pair to write here? How to choose? Here minus sign is here. So when you subtract, you get 4. So see, 12 minus 1, is it 4? No. So this is not a pair. Okay. And 2 6 subtract, if you subtract, you will get 4. So this is the right pair. See 4 3, if you subtract, you won't get 4. So this is not a right. So which pair is the right pair? 2 and 6. Okay. So do you understand how to choose the pair? Okay. Take your 12, split into factorize prime factors or any factors, and here see the sign, this is minus sign. So when you subtract, you have to get 4. That pair is the right pair. Okay, so you selected 2 and 6. Now you have to give minus sign. So which number get minus sign? To get minus 12 and minus 4. So if you give minus 2, if you add, you will get plus 4. So you have to give the minus 2, 6. See, now you add, this is plus, you will get minus 4, and if you multiply, you will get minus 2. Okay, so this is the right pair and we gave the right sign. Okay, now you can split for minus 4x, middle term, 3x square. Okay, so take this plus 2 and minus 6. You can write anywhere ma. For 4x, you are writing, so this is plus 2x. Minus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, see, grouping. Okay, so you can take x outside because you can divide both the terms by x. So you can write here. So this is take this x outside, 3x plus 2. Okay, so do you understand step ma? Yes, now take minus 2 because 6 and 4 are here. You can divide by 2 and as well as minus. So I am taking minus 2. So you get 3x minus 2 plus 2. So if you write here students, you won't commit a mistake. Okay. See which number to be taken as common. So this is x, here also minus 2. So minus 2 is the perfect number. So you can write here, okay. So in the denominator you just cancel, so you won't commit a mistake. And see, so what is our answer? 3x plus 2 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So 3x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So this is 3x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 or x is equal to 2. So our solution set is minus 2 by 3 and 2. So this is our answer. Okay ma? So this is the solution set. Okay. So do you understand this step? So you may see it has a lot of steps, but it's also very simple steps. To understand, I have written a lot of steps. If you understand, you can reduce the steps and you can do the sum still more easier. Okay ma? So please don't fear over max students, because you can just take a paper and do the sum. So practice makes perfect. That is pretty much match for mathematics. Okay. So I hope you all understand. So if you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.